Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying eligibility. Check your phone's 5G band compatibility and that it is unlocked for use on Vi. Once done, prepare your identity documents, Aadhaar or PAN, and a valid address for KYC. Decide whether you want an eSIM or a physical SIM. An eSIM needs a stable internet connection and an email. Now open the Vi app or visit a Vi store to begin the order process. Entering accurate details here prevents delays. You proceed to order. Select a 5G-compatible plan in the Vi app or at a store and submit the required details. Next, complete eKYC by uploading ID and a live selfie, or finish KYC in person. Make sure the mobile number you register is reachable. For eSIM, you'll receive a QR code. Scan it in your phone settings and follow prompts. For a physical SIM, choose courier delivery or store pickup, and keep your activation PIN ready. You finish by inserting the SIM or confirming eSIM activation and restarting your phone, then enable 5G and set network selection to automatic. If mobile data or 5G doesn't appear, check APN settings and that your plan is provisioned for 5G and verify local 5G coverage. If problems persist, contact Vi support with your SIM ICSID or transaction ID and a screenshot of settings. This speeds resolution. One quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.